Hi all and welcome to the video. In this video we will see how we can download and install Sublime text on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. So open your web browser and search for Sublime text. Now click on this link from sublimetext.com. Now click on the download section. Click on this Linux repos link. You can see the Linux package manager repositories. I will leave this link in the description box so that you can directly click on it. So first one here is apt, that's for Ubuntu or Debian. So you need first to install this GPG key. Select and copy this command. Now open the terminal. Sudo and paste the copied command. Enter. Now enter password for the sudo user. Next we have to select channel to use stable or dev. We will use stable. So select copy this command, sudo, and paste this command. Press enter. Next update package list and install Sublime text. So first run sudo apt update command. Copy and paste it into the terminal. Press enter. Now copy this command, sudo apt get install Sublime text. Press enter. Sublime text installation is complete. Now we will verify Sublime text installation. Go to start menu and search for Sublime. So you can see the Sublime icon here. Click on that. It will launch the Sublime text. So in this video you have learned how to download and install Sublime text on Ubuntu 24.04 LTS. Hope you find this video useful. Thank you.